AI works by combining large amounts of data with fast computer processing and programs which allow the systems to see patterns in the data and learn. AI integrates many approaches and technologies. They include neural networks, machine learning, and natural language processing. Neural networks. Neural networks imitate the human brain. They analyze sets of data over and over again to find patterns and associations and answer questions about them. Machine learning. This is a kind of AI that lets computer systems, programs, or applications learn by itself and develop better results based on its experience. Natural language processing. This allows computers to recognize, interpret, and understand human language. It makes it easy for people to interact with computers. A good example is ChatGPT. There are also important technologies which support AI, such as the Internet of Things and computer vision. The Internet of Things generates huge amounts of data from interconnected everyday objects such as cars, home appliances, and digital fitness watches. Computer vision allows computers to understand and interpret images. A good example is facial recognition. In the future, we can expect computers and robots to become increasingly like human beings. It is important to understand how AI is making this happen. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.